Hello listeners, hello students. For this tutorial, I'm going to look at how to use Xammp and Workbench to develop your database. Assume you already installed either Xammp or Xammp. Make sure you go to where you install it. You go to Xammp, Xammp start control panel. Make sure you download it and install it. After install it, come here and hit start and start. And it starts, now it's running. From there now you can go to open your Workbench. Make sure you install Workbench. Just go down at any browser, MySQL Workbench. When you're done, you can go to, let's start with how to use Xammp to create a database. You go to this admin, click admin. Give me some time. So before that, if you want to use data direct from Xammp to server, you go to connect database or manage connection. You go to manage connection, and from there it give you some time. You can name your connection, for example, my connection. You can give it any name. Either you create your default schema just like a database. Okay. So then what? I can say what? Test connection. Okay. Because if you always try to create database first, okay? You just come first to this. You say what? You come here as what? I already have started creating my admin. You can go to SQL, click SQL. Let's create a database first. Create database. Students. DB. Make sure what? Anything with semicolon. When you're done, either you select or you say what? You come here and say what? Go. Then you click what? Go. Database name what is it? Student DB or create. This is what? How you create a database in what? SQL. My admin. Now you see now I have a database called what? Student DB. Now if I go to here, if I come to here now, I come to here, connect database. I can select the connection. Here, from root. So now we're going to work with now a workbench. You see what? Workbench is what? Is the official graphical user interface UI tool for MySQL. It allows you to design, create, browse, database schema, work with what? Database object, okay? So these are what? How you create a database. So now let's say now we want to create what? A table. It's two ways. Either what? You come here, either you do it what? You do it the wizard way, is what? Or the other way around. Okay? The wizard way now, you can just, for example, let me say student. I say what? I need 2 records. Let's say 3 records. If I click what? These 3 columns. Then I click. So these are what? How you create a table, database and table. Now I can say ID, name, contact, mobile. Okay, now data type. This one should be what? Vector. So say what? Save. The length. Preview. If you come to preview, you see exactly that they give you what? Create table, table name, student. This database. This is table name. ID int .node. Name. Data type is what? Bytecode. Length is what? 20. Mobile int. This hour. The normal for what? You can use this again to create this what? This is what? Same with what? What? The grammatical way. Okay? So when I say what? So I click save. Now what? This is how to create a database. So make sure what you install, you download what Xammp or Xammp and install it. This what you have one what you have now database. If you come to now student, you see about student table as table. Then click tab. If you click student, we have what? We have the attribute. Okay? We have attribute as what? ID, name, mobile. Next thing I want to insert to what? Student. Okay? Now I want to insert to come to structure. You say what? You come to structure, then you can browse. Either you come to here, say insert. So when you insert, you can able to click insert the value. Let me say ID. I say 1. Name. Let me say Musa. The mobile number, I can enter any number. Then what? I click go. Okay. So you see, this is what? If you look at this line now, it gives you what? The grammatical way of what? How to insert data. Okay, you look at this one, say value, insert into where? Student. A student is what? Student is the table and have attribute as what? ID, name and mobile. With the value 1, Musa at what? So these are what? How you create a database with what? How you insert. As we go what? We already done how to create a table. From now on, how to create a database. So make sure you follow up the steps. Then if you have any question or comment, make sure you don't forget to share it. I will respond to you. So thank you very much for continuing the tutorial. Once again, I'm Musa of your tutor.